Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Come on back into my kitchen today, y'all. We are making bacon gravy. You heard me right. And listen, nothing says love like some bacon in your pot. And you mix that up with gravy, honey, you got a good combination.
Yeah.
So, takes very, very little ingredients, y'all. This one is so simple. We got bacon, we got flour, we got some milk. And we about to have some gravy. So I'm gonna get this gravy, not this gravy, we gonna get this bacon cooking. And I'm gonna show y'all how to make some good old bacon gravy. I got my biscuits already hot, honey, right out the oven. They ready for that love. So let's get it cooking. All right, well, we'll see if my pan's hot.
Ooh, she's hot.
Listen to that sizzle, y'all. Woo. I know y'all know how to fry bacon. Y'all probably seen me do it now so many times. If you don't, you do by now.
A few times.
You do by now. So what I'm going to do is just cook this bacon down, honey, and you just measure that bacon with your heart, honey. Don't go by the slices. Go with your heart. Go with your gut. But we do want about a quarter cup of bacon grease left over, or however much flour. Because remember, when you're making good old gravy, you add equal parts for flour
1 to 1 now.
and fat. Whatever kind of fat you're doing, honey, just equal parts. So I'm going to get this fried up, and we're going to come back, and I'm going to throw this gravy together. This bacon is scrumptious. We want it so it'll be crumbly, because we're going to add this little goodness right back on top. And I know I don't have a paper towel on that. I normally do that to soak it. Shame on me. Making a mess everywhere, but that's all right. We're making us some bacon gravy. All right, now I'm just going to go right on in here with this flour. We'll just keep this moving. Keep it stirred up. I'm just going to give it some color. Getting all those little bits and goodies out the bottom.
Ooh.
I might need to add just a little bit more flour. Let me get some more flour on board. I'm just going to sprinkle some in there. What we doing? Well, we're just going to cook that flour. Y'all know how we do, cooking that flour taste out. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my milk. Now, the milk, we can do about 2 cups of milk, or whatever looks right, however thick you want it to do. See how I just keep it moving, keep it moving. I did add a little more flour in there, so there's that. Y'all, this don't take no time. And if you already got grease in your pan from frying bacon for breakfast anyway, listen, just whip yourself up some gravy.
Looking good.
Like I said, you do as much milk as it looks right for you. Now, most original recipes for bacon gravy, you don't add much to it, just a little salt and pepper. Some people add a little sage, some people do garlic powder, onion powder. But if you want to keep just that bacon flavor,
yeah, man,
just do some salt and pepper. So I'm going to do a little salt and pepper, and then I'm going to give it a little taste. And if I think it needs a little more flavor, honey, I'll add a little something to it.
Hey, y'all!
Here it is.
Here it is.
Ready and happy on the plate.
I'm happy too.
It's just sprawled out there.
I can't tell you how good. Look at here, y'all.
Ooh, a little bacon. Good stuff.
Yeah, man. Can't get no better.
Dig
don't
in
get
there,
no better.
James Russell. Dig in there.
All right, here we go.
Bacon on top of bacon.
Ooh.
You cannot go wrong.
There ain't even no words to describe.
Do your best.
Well.
That's your job. Do your best. The biscuits are
fluffy,
crispy
on the bottom.
Got a little bit of butter.
You can't even. They're perfect. They're cooked to perfection. I mean, really, the bottom.
Then that gravy is just
the gravy is creamy.
Mm-hmm.
The bacon just it takes it to that next. Oh my goodness!
And you really didn't even need onion powder or garlic powder
No,
in this.
no.
You really don't. Sometimes
Leave it out.
people go a little overboard with all the season. I love seasoned stuff. Don't get me wrong, but sometimes it takes from the natural flavor of some things. Some things it does.
Bacon don't need no extra.
Mm-hmm. Bacon can stand alone, honey.
That's right. Bacon it don't need no help. Bacon don't need no help from nobody.
No.
And this little piece right here just staring at me, y'all.
It's just giving you the stank eye hanks. It's whispering. Psst.
It was giving me the business. I had to take care of it.
It's psst,
Yep.
So y'all, this is honestly really simple.
I'm gonna let her take over. I'm just gonna eat.
Y'all,
I apologize for the rest of this video, but I'm just gonna eat while she talks.
And I'm gonna hurry up and zip on through because I'm ready to eat. If I'm being honest. No, really, y'all, this is something really quick. And like I said, if y'all already making breakfast and you got bacon and all that already, honey, you know you're going to save that bacon grease anyway. Oh, and I know what I was saying. And if you don't have bacon, you can use just the bacon grease. And also for those that use the bacon up, you can buy it in the store. If you're not one to cook bacon and save no grease up, you can also do the bacon up. But I personally like the good old bacon.
Ain't nothing like the real thing, baby.
Nothing like the real thing, no. But
Ain't there a song about that?
Yes, there is.
Yeah,
There's a song
thought
about
there
it.
was. Let me just say, you can't have this all the time, y'all.
No, this
is a treat. Treat yourself. Yeah. Do not do this all the time.
No.
Not good for you every day, but some days treat yourself.
He's done got his little exercise in
Yep,
today.
I did.
It's a rainy day. It's just one of those kind of little days.
I'm telling you, this is the words cannot describe. That's all I can tell you.
And we done went and donated blood this day, so we need
I've had a good day.
extra.
Yeah, see, I was like that.
We
I
needed
didn't want to faint,
something.
Yeah.
Yes, we got
We
to
don't
keep
want
our
y'all feeling-
strength up.
Right, y'all need videos. I have to keep my strength up for y'all out there in the internet world.
That's right.
YouTube land. I had to keep my stamina up for y'all.
Yeah.
Bring y'all this good content
It was
and
all
these good
for y'all.
recipes. Yeah.
Nothing for
And
us.
this one, trust me, y'all will be happy with this one. Y'all make this one the people y'all cook it for, and y'all, and even yourself.
Yeah, treat yourself.
Yes, treat yourself.
But it's a good, and that's what we're trying to say.
Yeah,
This
I mean,
one
it's
is
a
good
spin
one.
on sausage gravy too. It's like the milk gravy, but throw that bacon in there. It makes it's a different twist on it, really.
Yeah, and if you see the biscuits, you're like, "Lyle, those biscuits look good because they are good." Formula L, I've already told y'all about that one.
Yep.
I did the little recipe for that. Nothing simpler. If on these biscuits, if you're trying to make some good biscuits, honestly, it is just Formula L. It comes in a flour bag, and you mix it with buttermilk, and put your little flour out and turn it upside down, flip it over, find a time or two, cut it out, honey, and cook it high, 450 for about 12 minutes.
Can't beat them. They're
Can't beat 'em.
fantastic. They
Can't
taste
beat 'em.
great.
So you can link that, can't you? The
I sure
little
can.
biscuits.
Oh
He can do
yeah,
it.
I can put Formula L in there for sure.
But I mean my biscuit recipe.
Oh yeah, I can
If
put
you
the
look
video
at
and the Formula L in there.
He can do it.
Yeah.
He's our edit king.
Yeah, I can do it.